Agene kwa ta asata olo kampia go lo eso.
I'm sorry, I can't explain.
Ask your daughter why she brought a man into my house.
You mean you brought a plumber to the house without informing your husband?
I came back to my house and I met my wife, which is your daughter, on my bed with another man.
Papa, it's true.
Alele.
But he cheated on me first, so I had to pay him back.
There's no case now.
Cheaters.
See, I know I cheated on my wife and I felt bad about it. I confessed to her. She didn't know. I'm the one that walked up to her and I told her that this is what happened. And it's by mistake. What she do? She said she had forgiven me. If I didn't tell her, she wouldn't have known.
Can you imagine? He cheated on me. And he had the guts, the audacity, and the effrontery to tell me. Papa, I felt used.
Okay.
He disrespected me. I had to cheat back.
After everything I did for you, I trained you in school, you did not pay me back. I make sure I gave you life that your father here could not give to you.
Calm down.
No! Look at your father here. I gave him chieftaincy title. I built house for your parents. If not for me, rain would have beaten your father and your mother to death. What did you pay me back with?
Toto.
I took you to America. I gave you the privilege to change your useless surname, Anayo, to the sweetest surname in the world, Sobona. What did you pay me back with? In-law, I will not even call you that again. Anayo, since your daughter is now paying me back, she's going to pay me back everything. I'm giving her just 1 month. 1 month to pay me back everything. Starting from what you are wearing now. I bought it with my money. I bought them with my money. You are going to pay me back everything.
I need you to calm down, Bikono. It has not gotten to this. Beg him for me. This boy don't have respect for elders anyhow. That's me.
Who did ya?